Hello guys, now today in this video we will going to learn about the difference between the async and differ, but before that we see their basic terminologies in general. So these both are used in script tags in HTML. And this is the normal one case. They help load JS files faster without blocking the web pages. Now, but before that we see the normal, then async and differ. This is, so as you are seeing that this is the normal script tag. And easy meaning in normal, its easy meaning is download now and run later. Now what happens in this normal script tag is browser starts reading HTML, and then after this step what happens is it sees a script tag and then stops HTML parsing and downloads JS and then continues HTML, and this process makes the page slower. In this case, normal case, our page becomes slower. Now we see the differ case. Now this is the differ case of script tag. Here at the end we write the differ basically in script tag. This is how it differs from the normal one. Now its meaning is download now and run later. It is, I guess, similar to the previous one, download now and run later. Yes, this is like the normal one. But now we see what happens here in this case is browser keeps reading the HTML. Browser reads the HTML. Then JS downloads some background. Then after complete HTML is loaded, and this JS execute. Important thing here is what it executes in order wise manner, and you can see its visual flow. This is visual flow diagram of what happens here in this case of differ. Now we will move on to our async case. Now this is script tag of async. Then we write async here. Its easy meaning is download now, run immediately when ready. Here we will not run later. Here we will run immediately when it is ready. So what happens in this case is basically browser reads the HTML, then JS downloads in background. Now as you can see that after this JS downloads in background, after that what happens is downloading finishes, the HTML parsing pauses, then JS executes, then HTML continues. This will happen, and here in this case order is not guaranteed. Important thing to note here is in case of async, there in case of differ, order matters. Script executes in order there in case of differ. Now its visual flow. This is its visual flow. This HTML parsing, then pause, then continue, then JS downloading, and then execution.